In this video, we're going to learn how to integrate expressions, and that is indefinite integrals. So we are not given the limits within which you're supposed to integrate. And then if you look at this expression, it is complicated. So we have to simplify this first. So let us look at this, the one in the bracket as x squared minus 1 squared. So we can use the quadratic identities where we can rewrite this as x squared minus 1 squared, which is just the same as x plus 1 times x minus 1. So if we rewrite this, we are going to have x squared into x plus 1 into x minus 1, and that is over x plus 1. So we can, this is a product of three numbers, so it means we can say x plus 1 can cancel out with x plus 1, so that we are left with x squared into x minus 1, which we can simplify further to have x power 3 minus x power 2. So this is now the simplest expression that we can now integrate. Let us do that. So we have the integral x power 3 minus x squared with respect to x. So we're going to have x power 3. We increase the power by 1, and then we divide by that new power, minus x squared. So we increase the power by 1 and divide by that new power, and then we add a constant of integration. So let us just simplify this. So we're going to have that being equal to x power 4 over 4 minus x power 3 over 3 plus c as the indefinite integral.